Alright folks, it's processing day for our meat birds. We have over 20 and we are going to see how many we can get through today. It's already in the afternoon, so wish us luck. So here's just a quick overview. So there's our meat birds back there on their tractor. Here's our scalding water. There's our ice chest. We're gonna have ice in both of these. Our kill cones are back here. And this is our evisceration table right here. So we're hoping to do all of this outside today. The weather's great. Like, I guess I'm just wondering how soon from the first two are you going to be eviscerating them? Are you try to get a few done and then do it, or what? Like, I'm just curious with this, or do we not even know yet? Okay, play it by ear. Day 2 of getting our chickens harvested. We ended up doing 9 yesterday. We had a really late start. It was after 3 o'clock when we started. So today we're hoping to finish the rest of these and be done. All right, well, I gotta run to the gas station and get more propane. They think the one tank that we used yesterday may not make it through the rest of today. You going with me to the gas station?
Yeah.
Why do you like going with me?
I like my new seat.
We just switched him from his chest clip harness to using a seat belt, and he loves the new transition. Alright, we're back from getting the propane. Apparently he's already started chopping some chickens. Oh, and I need to clean you guys off. It's pretty dirty. Alright, I gotta go get my gloves. One of the tips I read about hand plucking is to use like rubber dish gloves, and it did help yesterday. But I'm telling you guys, before we process our next batch, we are investing in a plucker. Mark my words, we're getting a plucker. My gloves, we're not in the house. Oh, I don't know where they are. I don't remember what I did with them yesterday after we did the first batch. And I don't want to touch the feathers today. I just don't. There were moments even yesterday in the heat and the pregnancy and the smell. I was just kind of feeling, ooh. I just want gloves on. Hey, my yellow dish gloves are not in the house.
They're out here now, I got it.
baby will be 2 months old when we harvest our next birds.
How are we gonna do that?
We're gonna get a plucker. that or I'm gonna have to strap the baby on my back or something. So how many more are left in there?
Too many.
How many? Only 6. 6 more to go and then we're done. Ta-da! Now these 4 were from May 9th, but all the ones we just did are right under here. So I think I did 9. Yeah, should have done 9 today. I can't count because they're all falling on each other. But 9, and then yeah, we'll have about, I want to say, I don't know how many we did today, 14-ish today. So we are gonna have a freezer stocked full of chicken. We may offer a few out to family and friends, but our freezer comes first right now. But we are getting another shipment of meat birds next month that will be processed, I think, in September, a different breed. We're not going to do the Cornish cross this time. We're going to try a different one, see how we like it, and go from there.